This is a full-featured Office on your computer. Editors for text documents, spreadsheets, slides, and PDF. Free fillable templates for every business task. Powered with AI that helps you create documents from scratch and format content in the documents. Connect AI model of your choice: ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, Ollama, and even a local one. Use plugins for spell checking, translation, inserting flowcharts, videos, and other objects. Secure documents with passwords. In workbooks, you can even set passwords to a separate sheet. Add digital signature with certificates. Allow only certain actions with sensitive files. ONLYOFFICE Desktop Editors is fully compatible with Microsoft and Adobe formats. Integrable with the cloud storage of your choice, including DocSpace, Nextcloud, ownCloud, and Moodle. And the best thing, ONLYOFFICE is absolutely free for Windows, Mac, and Linux. On some Linux distros, you can even find it pre-installed. For example, Winux or Mauna Linux. Start professional document editing on your computer today.